Hey loves, it's your girl Kimmy the Hustler, and today I'll be doing a Shein haul. Now I have a mixture of heeled sandals and flat sandals. So if that's something that you want to see, then you should definitely stay tuned. They gon' love me for my ambition. So today I'll be debuting a new feature in my videos. Yes, going forward, I'll have a segment called Product of the Day. Now, what I'll do in this segment is I'll just introduce you to a product from Amazon, and I'll be sure to actually drop the link to the product in the description as well. So if it's something that you're interested in, then you can definitely purchase it. Now, the products range from a mixture of home decor items, stuff for yourselves, stuff for your kids, stuff for your home offices or work office, just about a mixture of everything. So be sure to stay tuned for that, okay? So first we're going to start with this black flat sandals, and I really purchased this one because it seemed as if it had a high platform when I viewed it on, and yeah, as suspected. So you see how thick it is, and I'm a bit of a distance away from the camera. So, and these are all sandals that are below, I think, $15. I think the most I probably spent on one of these are like $14. So I'm really hoping that the quality, I'm not going to say great, because I mean, come on, it's cheap, I buy them for. But let's hope they're at least acceptable, okay? So I think this is a size 9. Yeah, I usually wear 8.5 or 9, but I decided to buy 9 because I rather having them big than them not actually fitting me. So as you can see, it has a nice buckle design, and let's see how it fits. All right, so these now, actually really want these to fit me. These are a size 9, and yes, these are actually really nice. And if you can see, like, kind of thickness to it, so it's actually really comfortable on my feet. Yeah, nice little supermarket run. All right, so this one is like, I don't even remember the price, but I know it was particularly cheap, but I don't think I actually like the quality. And like I said, people, I can't complain a lot because the price, but I don't really like how cheap this gold section looks. I don't know, it has this little metallic. Maybe if it had the same shade as what the buckle has, and I'm going to, when I'm trying it on, you're going to see it a bit closer, but maybe if it had the same shade as the buckle, then it wouldn't give me such a cheap vibe. But the cushioning is actually really great, and these days, let me tell you, I'm all for comfort when it comes down to footwear. All for comfort. But let's try this on. Like I was saying, you see the gold, you see like how cheap this metallic thing, but look at the buckle. The buckle, I hope it shows. Like the buckle doesn't have that sheen that this has. So this just have like a really cheap look to it. Fits nice, and it's actually comfortable, but I'm going to wear it. So like if I'm going to the supermarket, you put on a easy outfit and you just wear it, because it doesn't look all that bad. All right, so this is actually, like, I think it's safe to say it's my favorite design when I was purchasing these. So let's see if they actually live up to it. And right off the bat, I can tell you yes, because see this, I put comfort over everything these days in footwear, and the cushioning that's right here makes a world of difference. You see how the gold goes around it? I really like that. And I'm glad like it actually came out this way. Because it's one thing to see something on the website and then you don't get it. And then again, because of the price, you can't really have high expectations. But it actually surpasses my expectation. And I need to get some lavender, something lavender. So I will find something to wear these sandals with. Okay? I will. Yeah. These are nice. Let's see if they actually look nice on my feet. All right, so these actually like my absolute favorite from the haul. Absolute favorite. And I can't wait to wear them. Fits well. All right, so today's product of the day is actually a string light for curtains. And this works well if you know you're doing decoration in your room, if you have a creative space, and of course, people, Christmas is coming up, and I'm advising you start your shopping from now. Might seem like it don't make any sense, but start your shopping from now. You don't want, start your shopping December when everybody and their mother are shop for bringing things into Jamaica. That jam at customs, you probably don't get your stuff until way after Christmas, okay? I think, well, when I put it up, you're going to see the color light. All right, so let's just set it up on the curtain that's right here just for you to see what it looks like. And I plan to actually put this in my bedroom for Christmas. I don't usually celebrate Christmas, but I don't know. This year I just feel like I need to do something. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. And you usually put like a sheer curtain behind it. Really and truly enhances it, right? But if you're a fellow YouTuber, I feel like this would make like a really nice backdrop. I'm gonna get some sheer curtains. But let me turn off the light for you to see what it looks like. It's not night, but just for you to have an idea of what it would look like, especially during the Christmas season, or if you have kids, not toddlers, but past the toddler stage, then I feel like this would actually make like a really nice decor for the rooms. If you're in college, right? Yeah, you in dorm room, sometimes it can be blah. You want, spruce it up a little bit, then I feel like this would actually make the cut. And you can actually like change the mode on it. It comes with a remote. What did I do with the remote just now? Let me get it. It comes with a remote for you to dim it and some other features. And also the section where you plug it in, you can control it from there as well. So let me speed it up and do a few other things for you to see. Switch here, you can actually change a few of the settings. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. So you turn it off, let it go real fast, then it slows down. This is what I'm talking about. So you can just press this, the separate from the remote. So separate from the remote, you can just press this. All right, so I'm not really like a fan of pink. I think this is more peach, but I actually really loved how it looked on the Shein website. It's cheap though, people, like $14 I think I paid for it. But you see this? I don't really like stilettos and so, but this is giving like an Egyptian goddess, feel. Hmm. But I mean the rope thing is nice as well, but those shoes that go in showcase, but nobody ever wears them. I feel like this is one of them. I feel like maybe Shein send me a sample, a prototype, something, because this could never be the actual shoes. People no look here. What is this? Bumpy road, good on Manuel Road, the Brook Rockstone. What is this? I don't when I actually try this on, it will actually be able to be flat on the ground. This is going to be wobbly. This can't wear. Look here. We're going good, we're going good, we're going good, we're going, and oops. You drop down in a one gully, and you crawl through the gully, and you come back up. What about money? Well, because, like, I'm shame. She might kill me.
Look, me shame. Shame and kill me. Me shame me.
I go actually look on the, it's the same thing. Wait, no? This bumpy, over this side bumpy, over this side actually a bit what them doing at the warehouse, what them doing, them did I make this, them never know say I me them I make it far, cause me not think them would have do me this. What me I gonna do with this? This can't wear. I don't even I'm just going to try it on to show you guys that like something is actually really wrong with the shoes. And I can't complain because I think it's what, $12 or $14 me pay for it. I cannot complain. It's money, yes, but it's not like me spend no bag of money. It's cheap. It's very much cheap. It's giving cheap. Okay. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. I mean, like I said, this the design is actually really cute. The bag I rope them like skipping ropes, but And it actually fits me, you know. I think this is what 8.5 or is it 9? Like this is actually really cute. But people, let the wobbling begin because you cannot actually stand. It wouldn't be sensible to wear this. It wouldn't be sensible for me to wear this. Not with, you can see people, you see this? I don't feel like it would be wise for me to wear this out. I'd actually be embarrassing myself if I wear this out because it doesn't allow you to actually, stand wibbly wobbly, wibbly wobbly. No. This I'm have not need to people. Mr. Man just said in the back in the background I have not need, but my Shein. This is really disappointing. And I actually forgot to mention, sometimes when you see people buying shoes off Shein or they're doing those Shein hauls on like TikTok or Instagram, you actually see them with the boxes. Like, I don't know, like, you're accustomed to when you're buying clothes and stuff from Shein to get them in these, packages. Well, not these, but the see through, the Shein packages. These have, like colors to the back and it's a different material, but you're expecting to get shoes in boxes. I don't know why Shein send the shoes in these with the plastic bags, but this is the last one. Let's see how it works out. Okay, so these are like a form of like platform heels. I really love platform heels. I think it's a chain on this that actually got me really interested. You know, how's that little look? I'm not really the type of person to wear, pink a lot, but I'm trying new things before the end of this year. Yeah. But let's see what this looks like. This is actually a 8.5. Hopefully it can fit me because people, I swear to you, like, my feet haven't been the same since I got pregnant. Like, I feel like my feet actually grew half size bigger. Um, I don't know. So, and then it's weird because some shoes 8.5 will fit me, and then for some it just doesn't work at all. Yeah. But yeah, let's see what these look like. Let's see how well they work. So I was a bit worried about this because my foot is a bit wide to the top, and it looked like my worry was for I probably should have took a size 9 because if you see like how exact this is on my foot. I really and truly don't like wearing shoes like that. Like, I absolutely hate it. But this is really, really cute. I probably only try on one. See? I'll probably end up just giving this away. I don't like the fit because it fits too exact. But it's, and then the top of my feet right here, because my foot is a bit, chubby. Anyways, yeah, my foot is a bit chubby, so you'll see it here. And look at my little toe fighting for its life. But it's actually a really nice design. And I mean, if you wear a 8.5 and you want it, send me a message on Instagram at Kimmy the Hustler. You have to be able to collect it in halfway through though, or pay for delivery via bearer if you're in Kingston, Portmore, or Spanish Town. I mean, these are great and actually, like, comfy. Yeah. All right, so we're now at the end of our haul. I'm trying my best to just be consistent with the videos from now going into December. Like, I really and truly going hard on my channel. Let's hope. Fingers crossed. Trying my best. All right. So thanks again for tuning in and bye.